Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.022 and a momentum of plus 0.684. This isn't just noise, it's a significant shift compared to the historical baseline. The last time we observed this level of momentum was over 3 weeks ago, suggesting that something is definitely brewing beneath the surface. Our World Sentiment API returns nuanced insights, including trends across 18 semantic clusters, giving you a comprehensive view of global sentiment dynamics. Imagine utilizing this data to enhance your trading algorithms or build predictive models that react to shifting global sentiments. If you're ready to dive deeper into this data and harness it for your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's put data to work for you.